If you want to accept PayPal payments on Whop, this video will walk you through the entire setup step by step. I'm going to show you exactly how to link PayPal in Whop so you can start taking payments from customers faster and make your checkout options more flexible. This is a simple process, but it's important to follow each step carefully so your account connects properly. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, head over to whop.com and log in to your merchant account. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on Dashboard. This is where you'll find the main controls for your Whop account. From there, scroll down the sidebar menu until you see Settings, then click on it. Inside Settings, look for the Payments tab, or in some cases it may be labeled Balances. Click that tab to open your payment backend. Now that you're in the Payments section, scroll down until you find the area labeled Additional Payment Methods. This is where Whop lets you connect extra payment options for your customers. Here, locate the card that says Set up PayPal to accept PayPal payments, and then click the Setup button. Once you do that, a pop-up window will appear telling you that you can connect your PayPal account to start accepting PayPal payments on Whop. When you see that message, click the blue Next button to continue. After that, you'll be redirected to the official PayPal login page. This is an external secure page, so make sure you're signing in through the real PayPal site. Follow the security prompts, enter the email address linked to your PayPal account, and log in. If PayPal asks you to choose an account type, select either business or personal depending on your setup, then click Next. You may then see a permission screen that says Whop wants permission to connect your PayPal account. This is the important authorization step. And to complete the connection, you need to click Allow. Once that permission is granted, the setup process will finish in PayPal and you'll be given an option to return to Whop. Click that prompt to go back. And that's it, your PayPal account is now linked to Whop, and you're ready to accept customer payments directly through your Whop site. This is a great way to give buyers more flexibility at checkout and make it easier for people to pay you using a method they already trust. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want more Whop walkthroughs in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.